The road stretches out ahead, the sun glistening off the hood, the wind swirling around the open cockpit. This is not just a drive, it's an experience, a symphony of power and precision. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTSes is the ultimate grand tourer, a masterpiece of engineering that fuses raw performance with breathtaking elegance. From the first glance, the 812 GTS demands attention. Its sculpted body flows with aerodynamic perfection, each line designed to cut through the air with effortless grace. The aggressive front fascia, defined by an enlarged grille and sharp LED headlights, exudes confidence, while the long hood hints at the monstrous V12 lurking beneath. The signature side intakes, chiseled rear haunches, and quad exhaust setup reinforce its dominance on the road. But the real highlight? The retractable hardtop that transforms this grand tourer into an open-air powerhouse in just 14 seconds, offering an uninterrupted connection to the roar of its legendary engine. Step inside, and you enter a world crafted for the passionate driver. The cockpit is an exquisite blend of Italian craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. Premium Alcantara and fine leather wrap around the cabin, with carbon fiber accents adding a modern touch. The driver-centric dashboard places every control within reach, while the digital instrument cluster provides real-time performance data. The new state-of-the-art infotainment system seamlessly integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring connectivity without distraction. A redesigned steering wheel with integrated controls and signature Magnetino drive mode selector allows for an unfiltered connection between driver and machine. And then, there's the heart of the 812 GTC, the legendary 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12. Producing a staggering 830 horsepower, it launches from 0 to 60 mph in just under 3 seconds, delivering an intoxicating surge of power all the way to its 9,500 RPM redline. The 7-speed dual-clutch transmission shifts with lightning precision, ensuring every ounce of power is delivered with precision. Ferrari's rear-wheel steering and advanced aerodynamics provide razor-sharp handling, making every corner an opportunity to push the limits. And with the roof down, the sound of that V12 unfiltered, unrestrained, becomes an essential part of the experience. While rivals like the Aston Martin DBS Volante and Lamborghini Huracan N Sterrato bring their own unique appeal, the 812 GTS stands apart with its pure, naturally aspirated power and Ferrari's unmatched racing DNA. It's a grand tourer that defies expectations, blending long-distance luxury with unrelenting speed and agility. Imagine yourself behind the wheel, the engine's roar echoing through the mountains, or cruising along a coastal highway with the top down, soaking in every exhilarating moment. The 2025 Ferrari 812 GTSE isn't just a car, it's an invitation to experience driving in its most primal, most exhilarating form. The road is calling, will you answer?